This is a review of the portable tire inflator that I'll be doing a review about. And in this video, we're going to unbox this and demonstrate and show you guys how you operate it, what you get from the package, and whether or not this product is worth it. And without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside the package. Okay, so I do want to mention that it comes with the LCD dual digital display, a preset tire pressure. It comes with 5 different modes to adjust it, accurate pressure measurement, a fast heat dissipate. Pretty much what that does is that it doesn't overheat, so it has that as well too. SOS warning lamp, it comes with that as well too. It comes with a USB charger, a mobile power bank, and also the instructions guide. And you can see that's right over here. You can see that we have the bag. It comes with the bag. It comes with the USBs to pretty much charge it up whenever the battery gets low. Instruction manual. You get the valve, the cap that attaches to the tire pressure monitor itself, so it comes with that. It comes with a cigarette lighter, so you can have 2 different ways. You could either charge it or plug in your cigarette lighter. If you want to do the old school method, it comes with that as well too. Right here also comes with a set of tire pressure, pretty much the things you might need to pretty much install it. If you, for example, want to deflate your tires, you can use this stuff. It comes with the hardware for that as well too. It comes with that. But nonetheless, we're gonna go turn it on, and it should turn on like this by turning, holding it. You can see it's on. Right from here, you see we have it set at 36 psi, and one thing I love about it is that it comes with a charge as well too. You can see this, so you have different modes. You could charge you could pretty much inflate your tires by either doing it from your car, your motorcycle, your basketball, a ball, or pretty much anything you have. It will inflate the tire. You have different settings. The brightness and dimness you could adjust as well too. Pretty much you could adjust the level of the tire as well too, so you could have different modes. It comes with the flashlight as well too. But yeah, we're gonna go inside the garage and test it out to see how fast this thing works and whether or not this product is worth it. Okay, so right from here we have it plugged into pretty much to the valve stem, and right from here you can see that we're sitting around at 22.5. I normally put my tires at 32.5 for all my tires, all 4 sides. So we're pretty much going to inflate this. It's not too low, but, nonetheless, I'm going to fill it up at 32.5. And all you have to do is just pretty much hit this button, and it should pretty much inflate your tires. Okay, so right from here, we're at 32.5, and I do want to say that it charges up fairly quick, and it's a useful portable tool to have for your car accessories. If you're pretty much maybe like traveling on the road, or you spot your tires very low, you feel like that, this will definitely come in hand. And you can see that I have it at 32.5. It went to there. And it's very, user-friendly, very easy to use. You could adjust the brightness. You could pretty much do it not just only for your car tire. Like I mentioned, you could do it for your basketball, your motorcycle, your bike. It will work for anything. You can see it tells you the indicators for your car. It's for your car. Motorcycle works for your motorcycle. It's very user-friendly, easy to use. It has different options where you could go up and down and adjust pretty much the brightness and the levels of it, the tire pressures. You can also deflate your tires too. It comes with that as well too. If you put more air in your tire, you could do that as well too. You could deflate it. It comes, the battery life is very long and lasting as well too. And overall, I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a portable tire air pressure. That this one will definitely come in handy, and I would definitely recommend this product.